I'm going to do a quick video on dumping out the oil, doing an oil change essentially on a Sportsman 1000 generator, inverter generator by Buffalo Tools. So you're going to take the 4 screws off. You got one in each corner. I'm just going to kind of show it. Last time when I first did it initially, I had the screws already out, but today, this time I'm going to do it a little different, just so you guys can see exactly what needs to be done. One in each corner. Put them over on the side so I don't lose them. Just a standard Phillips screwdriver, nothing fancy. And Phillips screw, obviously. Alright, comes off. Grab my little towel here. Well, it should be okay actually. So I'm going to take this sucker out here. I let it run for about an hour for its initial oil change. It's probably totally clean, but I figure this way, if there's any metal debris or anything like that in there for manufacturing, it will be gone now. So yippee skippy. It is a very light generator, so I'm just going to literally pick it up and dump it over. Oil's coming out real easy. Totally clean still, which I'm not surprised by, honestly, but, you know, better to be safe than sorry. I'm just using a paint tray, basically. So it's only 7 ounces, so it doesn't really hold much. And there you go. Didn't even spill any, just like downtown, man. I'm looking at the oil here. I'll pick you up here. I do not see any oil, metal flakes. Maybe one little dicky-do there, but you know, some people see a lot of stuff. I personally don't see anything in it. Maybe a couple. Yeah, maybe there's a couple in there. I take it back. But I should be good now. So, anywho, right there. That's where the oil comes out of. So now I'm just basically just going to refill it, start it, let it run real quick, and then I'm going to put it basically down in my basement, probably for storage until I need to use it. So that's it. Just wanted to do a quick little video as to how to get rid of, dump the oil. It weighs, I think, 25 pounds wet and 16 pounds, probably actually 19 pounds maybe wet. So there's not much to it, you know. I mean, you can literally just pick it up and dump it right out. So that's it. Thanks.